Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to take a ribeye steak and we're going to cold sear it. That means no oil, which means no mess. This is about the most beginner friendly steak method. You have more control and it gets a better sear. We want to get rid of the moisture, so we're going to dry it off like this. After we've got the moisture off, we're going to add plenty of salt, and we want this to sit on the counter for about 30 minutes. We want this to be at room temperature. All right, we're gonna take our steak, no oil, right in the pan, no heat, it's cold, and we're gonna fire it up on high until we hear it sizzle. All right, I can just barely hear it sizzle. Now we're gonna set the timer for 2 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we're gonna take it and flip it. And we're gonna go another 2 minutes, leave it on high. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. Alexa, shut the timer off. Okay, 2 minutes, we're gonna flip it again. This time we're gonna turn down the temperature to medium and we're gonna go 2 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. Alexa, shut the timer off. All right, so we're gonna do one more flip and then we're gonna check the temperature. As you can see, it's starting to get a nice char on it. And we keep on doing this until it gets to your liking. We're going for medium rare. So after this 2 minutes, we're gonna check the temperature and see where we're at. Alexa, shut the timer off. All right, so that's been 2 minutes and we're going to check the temperature. Oops. All right, 150. We're gonna stop it there. But I'm gonna take the steak and I'm gonna get that fat on the edges rendered. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna let this rest for 5 minutes before we cut it open. All right, it's been resting for 5 minutes, so all the juices should be distributed back. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna cut this wide open. It's medium rare to me. I'm gonna cut off a chunk here. Super soft and tender. That salt is right. That's so good. Well, we got 3 more of these to cook up, and please like and comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I think this is the way to cook steak. Thanks for watching.